If you're investing in an idea and want to turn it into a project or artwork, a storyboard tool is indispensable. In today's video, we'll explore a free storyboard tool that helps you organize and edit your ideas systematically, so you can easily create your own finished works. Let's dive right in. First, visit the website storytribe.com, the link to which will be in the description below. Now sign up for a free account by entering your email or using your Google account. To begin, click on Create Storyboard. Here, you'll enter a title for your storyboard and then select a suitable frame layout. Finally, click on Create a Storyboard. Now, the main interface appears and is ready for your design. On the left menu bar, you'll see various options. First is Backdrop, where you can customize the background color for your scenes. Next is the Backdrop Image Selection. You'll find two options. You can search for available backdrops or upload your own. In this case, I'll use a backdrop from the library. For instance, I'll select a living room backdrop and click Search. As you can see, the search results offer many beautiful and professional living room backdrops. Depending on your story and image needs, you can choose one that suits you. You can leverage ChatGPT's features to request stories and suitable contexts as per your needs. However, in today's video, I'll focus on simply introducing the basic features of this tool without going too deep into details. Alright, after selecting a suitable backdrop, proceed to Frames. This feature allows you to add frames, adjust the number of rows and columns, add titles, notes, and select font styles. Next is Shapes. Here, you can add shapes like squares, circles, adjust their colors, border widths, border colors, and add text. Then comes Characters. You can add characters by choosing from a list of available ones. You can customize characters by adjusting their heads, faces, and clothing. Character actions can be adjusted by selecting hands or feet, as well as changing the direction of movement by rotating left or right. You can add as many characters as your script requires. Next is Props. Here, you can add other elements like props to make your scenes more vivid. When you click on a prop, you'll see various related suggestions. For example, if you select a cat, there will be many other animal choices for you. You can add dialogue for characters by selecting Speech. Here, you can choose conversation icons and enter dialogue that suits the storyline for each character. To add text to the scene, select Text and add a text box. You can adjust the font, color, font size, and align the text. Finally, there's Images. If you want to add images from your device or library, you can do so here. Alright, now you can add a new scene by clicking the plus icon in the top right corner of the screen. If you want to delete any scene, simply select Clear Canvas. This will clear all current elements on the workspace, so you can start fresh or completely change the scene easily. Once done, you can download your design to your device by clicking Download. Alright everyone, I'll wrap up the video here. If you found the video helpful, please like and share it widely. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to not miss out on valuable videos. Thanks for watching.